Brighten your day, one stitch at a time. Smooth, sleek, always in style. Soft to the touch, made for every day. Pick your hue, wear your mood. More colors, more joy, one perfect fit. Topper. Topper on, style on.
People might not realize this short commercial was entirely generated by AI. Not filmed, not animated. This video was generated using Seedance 2. It can generate not only the visuals, but also voiceovers and subtitles automatically. And honestly, the results are pretty impressive.
So how do you actually create an AI ads like this?
The process is surprisingly simple. Step 1. Write the script and define the selling points. For example, if you're making a commercial for a baseball cap, you need to decide what aspects you want to highlight, such as the material, the design. If you want to show the material, you might include a macro shot of the fabric.
Step 2. Design the storyboard.
For example, product rotation, fabric macro detail, hand touching the brim, model wearing the cap. At this stage, it's important to also think about camera angle, lighting, and color tone. These details are what make the video look like a real commercial.
Next, generate the images for each shot. Here, I'm using the AI image generator inside any video converter. Simply describe each scene and generate the images for every shot in your storyboard. Once the images are ready, import them into Seedance 2. Then just describe the camera movement, transitions, voice style, background music, and the AI will generate the entire video. By the way, any video converter currently supports Seedance 1. Even the version 1 already produces very solid results.